Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I thought I would just showcase all of the jewelry that I created with the Softflex Snowy Day Kit from Midwinter Market from the Great Bead Extravaganza. So I made a few pairs of earrings, made these adorable little mittens from the kit with the white quartz Softflex, and then these beautiful beads were from the Crystal AB mix that they had in the Snowy Day Kit. I believe you can still get these, online now for just the crystals, and they might still have the mittens, in stock. And I also made these cute little snowman earrings and then put some 4 millimeter Czech glass beads. And if any of the items are still available, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box so you can order the product. I also made this beautiful bezeled snowflake necklace, and I used the delicas that were inside the kit to make the bezel for the snowflake cabochon. And then I used some of the seed beads as little spacer beads. And then these ceramic beads were exclusive to the Snowy Day kit, but they were just so beautiful, just made a nice wintry design. And then we had just more of the crystals here with the seed beads just to add as spacers. And then I finished this necklace with a beautiful tiara cast clasp toggle. I'm gonna miss tiara cast. They always had the best components. I just felt that kind of tied it into the piece. And then I went ahead and added a little dangle from the drop for the Crystal AB set that came in the kit. So there's my necklace. I also made a matching necklace to the little snowman earrings. This is kind of following Joyce's design from Spill the Beads with Joyce a few weeks ago, where she took the Miyukis and kind of beaded around the large hole bead. And then I just did three on each side to kind of look like maybe icicles dripping off of them or something like that. But just to kind of give it that little touch, that little embellishment to the bead, put these beads in, and they are currently still available on the website. So I'll leave a link down below. And I believe that you can get the snowmen as well. But I just felt it kind of tied really nice into the design and just gave it a really nice wintry frost ice vibe. And last but not least, I made this necklace. I made it with 4 millimeter AB beads. And then these little square beads that are still available on the website. So link down below as well. And then I used some of the crystal AB beads with these adorable little ice skates, ceramic beads. Just looks like it's kind of ready to go ice skating. Just fills that winter design. So that is all the jewelry that I have created with the Snowy Day Kit for Midwinter Market Great Bead Extravaganza from Softflex Company. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content, tutorials, and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.